Hello everyone, this is the first part of the video tutorial how to crochet lace top. In this video, I'll show you how to work the first 8 rounds. Complete details about the project are available at interunion.com/crochet lace top. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. Begin crocheting from the bottom to top. Make a foundation chain of 131 chains or multiples of 11 chains plus 10 additional chains. I do not count one chain, then join it into a ring with the slip stitch. First round, single crochet to end. After the first round, work in continuous round. Second round, single crochet 5. Then chain 3, single crochet 1, and again chain 3, single crochet 2, and then work single crochet decrease. Pull the yarn through 1, 2nd and 3rd chains. I will repeat. To work a single crochet decrease, pull 1 loop, 2nd and 3rd. When you have 3 loops on your hook, draw the yarn through all 4 loops on your hook. After the single crochet decrease, repeat the pattern starting from single crochet 5. And again chain 3, single crochet 1, chain 3, single crochet 2. Then again work the single crochet decrease and so on. Again for the second round my repeat is single crochet decrease, single crochet 5, chain 3, single crochet 1, chain 3, single crochet 2. And now at the end of the round, when you have just 2 chains left, work single crochet decrease, and then continue working the third round. Now single crochet 4, chain 3, work single crochet 1 under the arch of 3 chains, then single crochet 1 above single crochet 1 chain, and single crochet 1 under the arch of 3 chains again. Chain 3. Now work just single crochet 1, and again work single crochet decrease. Now repeat the pattern starting from single crochet 4. At the end of the third round, after last chain 3, work single crochet 1 above single crochet chain, and when you have just 2 chains left, work single crochet decrease, and then continue working the fourth round. Single crochet 3, chain 3, work single crochet 1 under the arch of 3 chains, then just single crochet 3, and then again work single crochet 1 under the arch of 3 chains. Chain 3, now work single crochet decrease. After the single crochet decrease, repeat the pattern starting from single crochet 3. At the end of the fourth round, after last chain 3, work single crochet decrease, and then work the round 5, single crochet 2, chain 3, work single crochet 1 under the arch of 3 chains, chain 3, work single crochet 5 above single crochet 5 of the previous round. Now work single crochet decrease, pull the first loop under the arch of 3 chains, and then through the following 2 chains, and finish the decrease. Now repeat the pattern starting from single crochet 2. At the end of the round 5, after last single crochet 5, work single crochet decrease, and then continue working the round 6. Single crochet 1, chain 3, single crochet 1 under the arch of 3 chains, single crochet 1, and again single crochet 1 under the arch of 3 chains, chain 3, single crochet 4. And work single crochet decrease. Now repeat the pattern starting from single crochet 1. At the end of the round 6, after last single crochet 4, work single crochet decrease, then chain 3, continue working the round 7, single crochet 1 under the arch of 3 chains, single crochet 3, single crochet 1 under the arch of 3 chains, chain 3, single crochet 3. Then work single crochet decrease, and repeat the pattern starting from chain 3. At the end of the round 7, after last single crochet 3, work single crochet decrease, and pull the loop through arch of 3 chains, then finish the decrease, and work your round 8 similar to round 2. Single crochet 5, then chain 3, single crochet 1 under the arch of 3 chains, chain 3, single crochet 2. Then again work single crochet decrease, and repeat the pattern starting from single crochet 5. At the end of the round 8, after last single crochet 2, work single crochet decrease, and then repeat the pattern starting from round 3. Work your round 9 as your third round, round 10 as your round 4, round 11 as your round 5, and so on. Again, work your round 9 as your third round, single crochet 4, chain 3, single crochet 3, chain 3, single crochet 1, single crochet decrease, and so on. In the second part of the video tutorial, I'll show you how to finish up the project.